Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video, and my this video is about some different length of heel in really beautiful design and different color combination. And as you see, this silver color heel looks really nice, a very pretty shiny heel, and that looks really nice. And this one is also a very pretty black color heel, and it looks really beautiful with your every kind of outfit. And heels uh, looks really nice, a very pretty design, and really unique and different color. And this one is also a very pretty white color heel, and it looks really different, like pure white color. And this heel also looks really pretty. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And as you see, this black heel looks, and as you know, heel intricate embellishments like bows, stud or crystals that make your heel more amazing and more pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very nice blue color heel, and with the golden thing on the top that looks really different. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.